Well, here's a sound test of the JP34ab, the big purple. Now, this is the same setup as all the rest of them. Same everything, same distance, same song. So here we go. It's very interesting. The curve on this amplifier is different from the rest of them. We'll come over here and check it out. And if you look right here, if you see the black one, look how it drops off. It drops off at roughly 16K, where the other ones don't drop. The Zapco and the Sony play up to 20. They all have pretty similar throughout the rest of the range. That's big ass bump right there. I guess that's room acoustics, but just playing around. But they all have a 100 hertz crossover. They're all set up the same. They're all playing at the same frequency. They're all playing, or actually it's a sweep, and this one I think is the white noise instead of just the sweep. This is what, you're supposed to use. But you could see each amp has its own thing. Now the Sony and the Zapco are very similar, to where the Down for Sound it seems flatter, but again, everything was the same. It's an oddity, but I did notice, like I was saying before, it drops off at 16 like a rock. But when you're playing it on music, it doesn't sound horrible at all. Doesn't sound bad whatsoever. It actually sounds pretty good. I mean, it is a beautiful amplifier. It may be hated by everybody, but it's still not a bad unit. It still can sound good if EQ'd and everything properly. This is, it is a big amp too. I mean, that Zapco is not a tiny little bugger either. But again, this is just some, testing and by real world, not, laboratory or anything like that. I could make a little echoic chamber and put a speaker in it and do some close testing, which was suggested by a friend. But this is just me playing around, having some fun. Thank you guys. Let me know if you want to see any more.